Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Wayflyer use cases for Shopify merchants. If you run a Shopify store, you know that cash flow can be a constant challenge, especially when you're trying to scale. I've personally navigated this, and for me, Wayflyer was a game changer because it's not just a loan, it's funding designed specifically for e-commerce growth. So, what are the best, most straightforward use cases? Inventory management and stocking up. The number one reason I've used Wayflyer and what I recommend to any growing Shopify merchant is inventory financing. When a product is selling well, your biggest obstacle to growth is often the cash required to buy more inventory. With traditional financing, the process is slow, but high-growth e-commerce demands speed. Wayflyer gave me the capital quickly, sometimes in a matter of days, to place larger purchase orders. This is crucial for handling peak seasons, securing stock for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or the holiday rush before the sales start, getting better supplier terms. Larger orders often unlock volume discounts, which immediately boost your margins. Avoiding stockouts. Nothing kills momentum like running out of your best-selling product. Wayflyer helps you maintain a healthy stock buffer. Accelerated marketing spend. My second essential use case is fueling profitable advertising campaigns. I track my return on ad spend, ROAS, meticulously. If I know a campaign on Facebook or Google Ads is generating a strong return, I want to pour more money into it immediately. But sometimes those ad platforms require upfront payment, which ties up my operating cash. Wayflyer's funding solves this. It allows you to double down on proven channels. The funds are non-dilutive, meaning I didn't have to give up equity in my Shopify business to pay for more ads. I use their fast funding to increase my ad budget, capture more customers, and then repay the advance from the increased revenue those customers generated. The revenue-based repayment model is perfect for this. Because if sales slow down, my repayments also adjust, giving me that crucial flexibility, accessing data-driven insights. Finally, a less obvious but highly valuable use case, utilizing Wayflyer's analytics and expertise. Beyond the funding, I found their data platform incredibly insightful. By connecting my Shopify store and ad accounts, I didn't just get cash. I got a clearer picture of my business health, specifically around my marketing efficiency. They provide a deeper look at what's driving customer acquisition cost and lifetime value. This educational component helped me make better, data-backed decisions on where to spend the money they advanced me, ensuring the investment was as strategic as possible. It's like having an experienced e-commerce analyst in your corner. Wayflyer, for a Shopify merchant, is a tool that breaks the inventory marketing cash flow cycle. It lets you act on opportunity instantly, which is the only way to compete in fast-paced e-commerce. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.